All right, time for a little Asian session analysis here. It's Wednesday, October 12th. Going to be just kind of talking about what we went through today, what we're looking at for the outlook for tomorrow, for Asian session, London session, New York session, and the close of the market tomorrow. So we have a huge bullish candle here on the daily time frame, so we can expect some sort of wick down and then wick up and break the high, right here, to continue up to, probably this level here. So we'll mark up, support and resistance there on the daily time frame, just like that. And we'll go ahead and delete this. So, for Asian session, pre-London, we'll probably expect some sort of pullback before we break the high, maybe, New York, pre-New York, something like that. Cool. So overall, this is kind of like our target up here based on the daily, just based on the daily up there. So we'll check out the 4-hour most recent support level right here. It matches up with the daily. Most recent resistance, probably here, just based on this area. And then obviously here we got some traffic right here. So most recent resistance would be that area. Let's just draw back to the daily, see where that's at. Okay, cool. So it's a break of the high of the daily candle. Cool. So 4-hour. And then let's jump to 1 hour here. So 1 hour, we're kind of like in a little range here. This 163.375 zone doesn't really match up with anything on the 1 hour, so I'm kind of surprised by that. So we'll just move it up there. We do see these wicks and stuff and some traffic here. Makes perfect sense why we're rejecting over here on the other side, because we see the traffic here, the traffic there, and then we have, traffic. So solid range there. On the 1 hour, let's see what this is. This is, 50 pip range. Yeah, that's really solid. No trade available below there. Obviously 27 pips to target. But just based on like these wicks and stuff, it doesn't seem like a good range to trade. We got a lot of potential rejection area, not to mention candles printing side by side here. So definitely, in my opinion, it makes much more sense to look for a break of the high, or break of the high here on 1 hour, or break of the low. And then obviously, cleaner traffic on both sides of that range there. So 30-minute, let's see. Cool, yeah, so 30-minute tells a similar story. Clean traffic here on the left side, especially above, 163.271. So we just got to be careful of these rejections over here for buys. And for sells, 162.543 below there makes perfect sense. So I am going to actually no. Yeah, I think staying out of this range is going to be beneficial. I think staying out is going to be beneficial. Yeah, I would probably stay out of that range. Maybe look for price to come down into this area. See a lot of rejections here. So maybe, target overall here, something like that, and then see, what happens from there. But we'll do, target right here, because these are the most recent levels. So we're going to swap this to buys above. Target for buys. And then we'll do sells below. Target for sells. Cool. So I think that's going to be a good analysis for GJ, for Asian session, and pre-New York and so on. So we'll check back in tomorrow and see where we left off, kind of how price moved. But this is kind of my analysis for now. Honestly, probably just going to sit Asian session out tonight. Got a couple of things to finish up. And so I'm probably not going to execute on anything, but if you are going to execute, break and close above here to target here, and break and close below here to target here. So good luck, and see you for New York session live stream tomorrow. Peace.